This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, privacy glass, dusk sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and a rear spoiler. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Hudson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2020 Crestview Drive in Hudson.